right now I'm going through one of the most uncertain, like anxious points of my life, trying to chase my dreams and create a new life for myself. And the uncertainty of it is it's killing me. It's such a bad feeling, and I just feel like behind in life, and I kind of want to just talk about where I'm at and some strategies that I've picked up to help combat that uncertainty and that feeling of being behind. But like I'll see people younger than me being more financially successful than me, and it just kills me. Like it hurts. Like I want to be there so bad, but I'm not. Like it's been 2 years since I started day trading, and obviously when I got into trading I was naive and I thought I was going to start to make money very early on, which I'm sure everyone who got into trading thought. But I'm 2 years in and I still have not made a single cent from day trading. I've only spent money. And it's been tough. This is probably the most difficult thing I've ever had to do in my life. 2 years of straight work with no results. I mean, obviously there's results, but no like financial or tangible results shown to me. It's tough. It's really tough. And uncertainty will be like the worst thing you can go through in trying to change your life and trying to chase your dreams and trying to change your life. That feeling of, is it going to work out? Or that feeling of you're behind other people that have done what you wanted to do in less time than you've been spending. Like there's people that will become successful in trading after a year, and I'll see that and it just hurts. Like, what am I doing that's wrong? But that is childish of me. That is me feeling like I deserve it for some reason, even though obviously I haven't put the work in to deserve it. I haven't done enough. I haven't been consistent enough. I haven't been mentally doing what I need to, showing up every day, even though maybe it feels like I do. Maybe I'm not doing enough. Or maybe I'm doing too much. Maybe I'm trying to force it too much instead of letting it just come to me and letting things play out more. So some things that have helped me overcome this uneasy feeling of uncertainty is just being grateful of the life I have, grateful for my parents and their financial situation, grateful to be able to even try to make money online with day trading, because not too long ago this was never possible. Someone my age could not try to make money in the markets. Like 20, 30 years ago, this was not possible. Trying to make money online like this has been the easiest it has ever been to make money online, to make generational wealth by just sitting in your room and being at your computer. This has never been possible before. And I am very grateful to be in this position and live in this time period. And like thinking about other people in other countries or people from the past, like slaves, they worked their fucking ass off and they had no opportunity to change their life at all. They had to work every they had to do hard labor every waking moment of the day, and they had no opportunity to change their life. But I sit at this computer and I do some work, and I feel deserving that I should be at a different point in my life. That's fucking stupid. It's childish. I don't deserve that. Like, just having a perspective change of where you're at in life, and you see that gnat? What the fuck? Having a perspective change of where other people, how tough other people have it and have had it in the past, and how lucky you are to be in this position. And also changing your perspective to thinking that if the journey wasn't difficult to get there, if there was no uncertainty, if you already saw the future and you saw that you already made it, you probably wouldn't work as hard, and the journey probably wouldn't be as worth it. It wouldn't be as fulfilling when you actually achieve what you wanted to. Without that uncertainty, if you already knew you were gonna get it, it wouldn't feel as good. Like, you can tell yourself you know you're gonna get there, but until you actually achieve it, you don't know for sure that you'll achieve what you wanted to. But if you were able to see into the future and see that you already got it, the journey would not be worth it. It would not be worth it at all. So the last thing is just understanding that consistency, showing up every day, journaling, enjoying the process is what will get you to your dreams, to the goals you want. Understanding that showing up every single day and not skipping, just showing up every day is what will change your life. Not trying to force it, like in trading. If you just show up every day and you focus on building good habits, taking good trades, not forcing anything, eventually, and journaling too, journaling from your mistakes, eventually you will become a profitable day trader. But if you show up every day and you're trying to force it, you're trying to make it happen, you're actively pushing to become a profitable trader, you won't make it. You'll be forcing trades. You'll be taking trades when you know you shouldn't. Like, in the back of your brain, you know these are not probable market conditions, but you'll still force trades because you want to be profitable so bad that you'll just make dumb decisions. So understanding that showing up every day and having a long-term vision for the future is what will eventually get you to your goals. And understanding that it's going to take time. And it would not be worth it if it did not take time and it was difficult. If it was easy, then everyone would have it and it would not be worth it. But because it's difficult, because it's taking a long amount of time, it will be worth it. It will be worth it, and then in the future you can show other people how to get to that destination, and you'll feel even more fulfilled because you're helping people push through this uncertainty. You're helping people get through that area of life which hurt you so bad. And it'll just be life-changing. So that's all I have for this video. I'm going to try and upload once a day now and be more consistent, just yapping. So if you like this video, subscribe and leave a like. And thanks for watching. Peace out.